WuXi TOGO Environment Group Company Limited has independently researched and developed more than 30 models of products based on the technical accumulation of more than 10 years' experience in wet waste treatment. WuXi TOGO Group is committed to kitchen waste, dining waste, fruits and vegetables, landscaping and other organic waste, harmless recycling, reduction processing equipment of the overall solution, providing classification, collection, processing integration equipment, customized design, production and installation, debugging and after-sales integrated services. WuXi TOGO Environment Group provides the operation of the integrated equipment technical guidance. Guides the utilization of organic fertilizer connected with the agricultural products. WuXi TOGO Environment Group has more than 3 national patents and has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certification, Enterprise Integrated Management System, After-Sales Service System certification, European Union CE certification, etc. WuXi TOGO Environment Group applies new technology and new products in the biodegradation treatment of kitchen waste and has researched and successfully developed biological treatment of organic waste equipment, which uses the integrated design, covers small area,